Welcome to Nley'S Self-Study. This video is about the word problems based on numbers and ages from the chapter Quadratic Equation. So if you differentiate the problems based on ages, numbers, then distance, time, speed, then time and work, etc., you will find very easy to solve these type of questions. And here we go. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So we have to consider two numbers. So let the numbers be x and y, and we can take x greater than y. Now the question is the difference of the squares of the two numbers. So the numbers are x and y. Squares of the numbers are x square and y square, and the difference is x square minus y square is equal to 180, equation number 1. The square of the smaller number, that means y square, is 8 times the larger number. We can give it as equation number 2. Now you can see that the equation in terms of two variables x and y. So what we can do is substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So what will happen for the first equation? It will be x square minus, instead of y square, put 8x, and that is equal to 180. Now x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and in order to find the value of x, we can go for splitting the middle term. Sum is minus 8. We can see that sum is minus 8 and the product is minus 180. So when you find the factors, we can take it as minus 18 and 10. So the equation will become x square minus 8x. So we can write minus 18x and 10x. Then only we'll get minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. So from the first two terms, x is a common factor. So x into x minus 18 plus, from the next two terms, we can take 10 as common factor. So 10 into x minus 18 equal to 0. So x minus 18 is a common factor. So we will take in one bracket and the remaining term, that is x n plus 10, in the second bracket. So these are the factors and this is equal to 0. So when you equate x minus 18 equal to 0, you will get x equal to 18 or x equal to minus 10. Now coming back to the second equation, y square equal to 8x. So when x is 18, y square will be equal to 8 into 18, and that is 144. And what is y then? It will be plus or minus root of 144. So it is plus or minus 12. Now when x equal to minus 10, y square will be equal to 8 into minus 10, and this is equal to minus 80, and y square is equal to root of minus 80. So root of negative number is not possible. So what we can do here is we can take x equal to, we can write therefore required numbers are 18 and 12, that is x is 18 and y we are getting as 12, or we can write 18 and minus 12. The sum of reciprocals of Anjali's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find the present age of Anjali. So here they're asking you to find out the present age of Anjali, and they have mentioned about the Anjali's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So let the present age be present age of Anjali be x years. Now what will be Anjali's age 3 years ago? So Anjali's age 3 years ago will be x minus 3. And 5 years from now, that means after 5 years. So Anjali's age after 5 years is x plus 5. Now, sum of the reciprocals of Anjali's age 3 years and 5 years from now. So, x minus 3 and x plus 5, we have to take the reciprocals. That is, we have to take 1 by x minus 3 and also 1 by x plus 5 and then take the sum. And they say that that is equal to 1 by 3. Now, what we can do here is just cross multiply or take the LCM and do it. So, x plus 5 plus x minus 3 divided by, when you multiply the denominator, it will be x minus 3 into x plus 5, and this is equal to 1 by 3. Now in the numerator what happens is x plus x is 2x and 5 minus 3 will become 2, and denominator when you expand you will get x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15, and this is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can simplify because 2x plus 2 divided by, in the denominator we have 5x minus 3x, which is 2x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. Now what will happen? 3 into 2x plus 2 will be equal to 1 into x square plus 2x will be same. So I am writing x square plus 2x minus 15. Open the bracket. 3 into 2x is 6x. 3 into 2 is 6. And x square plus 2x minus 15. Now, when you take all the terms to one side, x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. So, our equation will become x square. 2x minus 6x will be minus 4x. Minus 15 and minus 6 will become minus 21 equal to 0. So, by splitting the middle term, we can easily find out the value of x. Here, sum is equal to minus 4 and product equal to minus 21. So if you take 7 and 3, 7 into 3 is 21 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So we'll use these two factors 7 and 3. So x square, instead of minus 4x I can write minus 7x and plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. So from the first two terms we can take x as common factor. So x minus 7 plus, and from the next two factors we can take 3 as common factor. So again you will get x minus 7 equal to 0. So x minus 7 is a common factor. So x minus 7 into, and we have x plus 3. So we will put x plus 3 in the next bracket. So this is equal to 0. So what we get is x equal to 7 and x equal to minus 3. Age cannot be negative. So we can take the age as 7, positive value. So we can say that, therefore we can write Anjali's present age is 7 years. Thank you for watching Nley'S Self-Study. I'll be doing more videos on word problems from this chapter. See you soon. Bye.